What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going over something for beginners to add a little flash and dash to your playing, a little something extra. You just saw me do it. The open string, hammer on, trilling, pull off move thing. I call it open string pull offs with a sliding harmonic. Just simply is an open string pull off. Whether it be the G string or the D, I like to use those. So you get the trill going. In case you didn't know, a trill is just a hammer-on pull-off move repeated multiple times. That's a trill. Like something like that. This is an open string trill or open string pull-off. If it was closed, I guess you'd be like, just call it hammer-on pull-off. But then they call it trilling if you just stay in one spot or repeat it. Like maybe if you went, you like multiple trills or something like that. So this is an open string pull off that I just, they call it like a trill. And then I get the harmonic sound and I slide it down to get this effect, which is kind of cool if you guys are just starting out and you want to get some cool effects. This is a very organic sound. You don't need pedals or whammy bars or anything like that. You can do this on any guitar. And it just helps you feel your strings and where you are. So it's just a cool technique. And all you're doing is gracefully taking the meat of your hand and you're going to glide it right down the strings real nice and lightly. See that? Now if you take that sound and you apply it to this open string pull off, when you've got the right amount of balance between the two, you'll get a harmonical sound all the way down. Now you can do it on the D string to the lower. See it all the way down. And then there's things you can do, like you can do like a movement of it, where you're kind of like doing this thing where you've got this going on. And now you're like, you can leave the bar stable and just move the hand, or you can move the hand as you're going. And there you go, just some basic moves you can use. Harmonic pull-offs, open string pull-offs, using a little harmonic slide thing. You see, if you get it too heavy, you don't get anything. You get nothing. So you gotta get that balance of the hand where you're like barely touching the string. Also, you're gonna want your volumes and your tones to be wide open. Volume and not tone. Because the harmonics can't come out if your tone is shut down in any way, shape, or form, and so same thing with your volume. All the frequencies need to be able to fly through, so volume and tone need to be wide open. And that's basically what you're doing, is you're finding the right pressure, which is really just a pinch of pressure. Because if you push too hard, you get... And if you push not enough, you get... So you gotta get something in between, which is like a... And I guess if you can hear that, then you just drag that amount of pressure down the string. And then the closer you get to the hand, notice the quality of the tone, you kind of lose it. So you're mostly probably going to, you're going to be staying from, if you notice, you're going to be closer to the pickups to get the best sound. That's the point I'm trying to make. Or if you're on this... Notice when I'm over the pickups is when you get the strongest sound, so you're just kind of looking for that. So as long as you get away from it, it gets a little weaker. And that is what I just call an open string pull-off using a harmonic slide. Have a great day. See you in the next video. I think I will.